Hey guys, today's video is going to be a draw with me because I wanted to do another one, but this time how I do my abstract designs, Indian type. So yeah, let's get on with it. Now, in order for this design to work, I'm going to use the drawing guide, which is pretty much everything that I use it for, and it's easier to do it than it will replicate everything, and it's just so fun to play around with. You would be amazed on how much designs I can make. So right now I'm drawing Christmas tree, a very simple one, not too complicated. It's easy because trees don't have to be perfect. So now I'm just gonna make some mountains to represent them. How Christmas trees I think grow in mountains areas. I don't know if this is actually true. I'll have to fact check that, but maybe it is. So now I'm just gonna do a border around it and then across and then make it more my style, but adding swirlies on it and adding more flavor and touch and adding that Indian element into all my designs because that's what makes me different from others. Now I'm gonna add more design, more intricate, adding more mountains inside of each other, make it cool and fun. And I love adding detail to stuff because it adds so much more character to the original design, and I think it does a lot more than people think it does. So, and adding that little lines and swirls all around, making it more unique and different from all the other designs. And now I'm gonna add a layer and then put it under, and I'm using the studio pen for coloring it. I'm gonna use this bluish color because I want some blue because it represents snow in a way. Snow is different colors of white, but I think snow is blue also. So just gonna color that and then do it for the rest of them swirlies. And having the colorful Christmas lights all the time, so I just wanted a yellow one. So now I'm gonna add a layer, put it underneath. I do put a lot of layers underneath because it's easier, so that none of the other layers get affected by doing this. So I'm going to clean it up. Always clean it up because it's easier. So then if you want to submit this design for something, then you can. But I would suggest doing your own design than just copying mine because mine is original and every art should speak for itself. And I'm a full believer that everyone has a talent of art. And now I'm just gonna add a lighter color of blue because I want them to contrast for the blues because I like adding blue. It just adds a bit of calmness into a piece, and it's not overwhelming like the other colors. I don't use too much bright colors in this because I don't think people will be drawn to it. So adding it from light to dark. And my favorite part would have to be blending it together using a brush that I love. I don't know what brush I used, but I'm pretty sure it's the marker brush that I always use. But now I'm just cleaning it, making it look more presentable. And last but not least is the background color, which is probably the most important color ever. So adding the background color really makes it. So this is my finished drawing. I'm going to add my signature thingy, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to comment below if you want more stuff like this, and make sure to check out my new reel that I did, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment below if you want videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.